Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change Windows 11 taskbar position. So if you want to move it to the top left or right, we can do this with this little tweak. So Microsoft actually removed the possibility to move your taskbar from, for example, the bottom to the sides or to the top. So traditionally that's not possible anymore, unfortunately. And the only way to do this now is to use a certain registry tweak, which we'll do in this video. So just go ahead and type in regedit in your start menu, alright, just like this, and then just open up this app. And in here, guys, I have a little text file for you right here that explains what needs to be done. So you need to navigate to this particular key in your registry. So just copy this one. We will just paste it for you in the video description. And then, as you can see, we have this value and the setting called settings. Right, so just double click, and just like it said in my little guide that I've wrote to you guys, so you need to look for the 13th byte. Don't really mind that. So the default is 03, so this is our 03 right here, as you can see. And what needs to be done, as you can see, if you wish to change the position of our taskbar and move it to, for example, the top, instead of 03, right over here where I have my mouse now, you type in 01, right? And then this taskbar of yours moves to the top and will be right over here. And of course, corresponding sides, if you wish to move it to the right or to the left, you type in the corresponding number, right? So instead this 03 right here, you just type in a specific code, the number code, and then pretty much it gets applied. The only thing you need to do is, of course, to restart your computer after, and then your changes will be applied. So this is the way you can do this, guys. So not natively, but still possible. So enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to press thumbs up on the video and subscribe.